Thank you for watching another episode of Stone's Reviews. Remember to like and subscribe. We are here to make sure you know what to make next and make what you love. Today we are unboxing the Uncle Brick Mechanical Shark Set. And I am Stone's Reviews Jr. Let's see here. Got a box cutter. I think I did that right. Oh, I might have only needed to do it on one side, but whatever. No. So there's one bag, and then there's a bag 0. Can I just label it 1 and 2? Why do I need tape? Oh, okay. So, it looks like it comes with like a little piece to pull other pieces apart. Looks like there's a bunch of little mini packages inside bag 1. It's a nice Ziploc bag, so I can seal it again. This is what it's supposed to look like in the end. Let's hope it looks like that. The pieces seem fairly easy to follow. They have the numbers and what they're supposed to be in their colors. The colors actually look like their colors, which is good. Doesn't look like something that'd be too hard to do. It's supposed to be flexible. It's machinery.
Open up the big bag.
Big bag, yeah, big bag.
Are the bags numbered?
Yes. At least most of them are, I don't know. So we have these pieces here. So inside bag 1 we have a lot of tiny bags. 1, 2, 3.
They're all ones.
Yeah. 4, 5, 6.
They might as well not number the bags.
I know, right? 2, 7. Ooh, gold pieces. 8, 9. I was like lost anything in that. 10 and 11. There's 11 bags in bag 1.
That's going to be painful to build.
Yes, very much so. Very fun. Put the tube in there. I'll make sure to put the tube. Guys, bag 1. Bag 0. Let's see what is in bag 0. In bag 0, there is only 2 bags. And it's mostly small parts, so I'm guessing this will be the small parts bag. Anything else in here?
And then, we just wrapped the video.
Alright, and that's a wrap. We'll see how to put this together, and I'll show you how I did it.
And thanks for watching another episode of Stone's Reviews. Please like and subscribe, and please support us on Patreon so we can review more stuff.
Yeah!
I finally got around to writing an outro to give you plenty of time to hit those like and subscribe buttons. Thanks again to those of you who have already subscribed, and one of you will have the good luck to be my first paid tier patron on Patreon if you subscribe today. For $3 a month, you get access to my videos without having to watch ads. Thank you in advance.